Spirit Cars is thrilled to announce their partnership with education to introduce innovative automotive curriculum for industrial arts programs nationwide. CTE, or Career and Technical Education, is essential in equipping individuals for successful careers in the automotive industry. As vehicles become more technologically advanced and complex, specialized training is crucial for aspiring automotive professionals. The new curriculum developed by Spirit Cars focuses on training young bodymen and painters, providing them with the skills and knowledge needed to excel in their chosen field. With hands-on experience and expert instruction, students will be prepared to tackle the challenges of modern vehicles and meet the demands of the industry. By partnering with education, Spirit Cars is committed to supporting the next generation of automotive professionals and ensuring they have the tools they need to succeed. The collaboration between Spirit Cars and educational institutions will help bridge the gap between classroom learning and real-world application, giving students a competitive edge in the automotive industry. With this new curriculum, aspiring bodymen and painters will have the opportunity to learn from industry experts and gain valuable experience that will set them apart in the field. Spirit Cars is proud to be at the forefront of this initiative, shaping the future of automotive education and preparing students for rewarding careers in the industry.